What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Mosiso 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro case. Let's check it out. Okay, so I've got a couple different laptops. The 2019 MacBook Pro. This thing is super cheap. It was about 20 bucks on Amazon. Came in 1 or 2 days. I think it might come with a keyboard cover. I'm not 100% sure. Nothing really spectacular to see here with the packaging. Not really much to see here, so let's get into it. Okay, we got some instructions here. Okay, so they want you to start with the bottom. Basically line it all up, press it down, press, do the same thing on the front. Nothing really to see here. So it comes in a lot of different colors. That's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Okay, so they seal the whole thing up nice. I guess to protect it, keep it all together. So let's get into this thing. Okay, so it does come with this little keyboard cover. I'm not sure I'm going to use this, but it's cool that it's in there. Those are definitely placeholders. Those will have to come off. Those are awful. So these will go on there. The top cover is also got a film on it. Let's take that off. Okay. So the finish on it, I probably should have went black. It's a little bit cheap looking. But for a product that is cheap, it's not too bad. I do like that the keyboard cover is matching. Let's check out removing these feet, see how hard that is.
2 hours later.
Mosiso, if you're listening, stop with the styrofoam feet. Those things are awful. Just put these bad boys on from the factory, would you? Save me the trouble of cutting these off. Inside looks good. Nothing really crazy to see there. Some extra packaging. The feet grip on the surface pretty nicely. Let's slide this bad boy in there. See how it does. Okay. So if you're putting it in like the instructions say, you have to slide it in so the back grooves catch and then the front ones snap. I see what they went for with the coloring. They're trying to be space gray, but it's a little bit off. So the instructions say the 3 tabs, you can see them there, 1, 2, and 3, go forward facing. I'm going to try doing the same thing here, see how it snaps in. So the installation's a little bit interesting, but once you get it all snapped together, it's not too bad. It will definitely add some scuff protection to it. Your access to the ports is pretty good. If you have one of the hyper docks that go on the side that eat up a lot of real estate, this will not work for you. So make sure your dongles are going to clear if you're living that dongle life. A regular cable seems to fit no problem, but just keep in mind your clearances are limited. Same thing on the other side. Get a little bit more space for the microphone jack. Let's see how this thing looks. I'm worried about these. So it feels okay, right? It actually doesn't really impact the way I type too much, this little cover. But I'm worried about the rubber leaving a mark on the screen itself. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys use these and you have that, and you know, you've had some issues, let me know. Let me know if I should or shouldn't be using this thing on here. It comes up a little bit around the edges. It's not perfect. But as a free bonus, so to speak, I didn't really order the case expecting to get this thing. This is just an extra bonus, but for the most part, it seems pretty tight. If you're looking for an inexpensive case for your 16-inch 2019 MacBook Pro, this will definitely fit the bill. I would recommend you get the black one. not a big deal. Looks good. But I should have definitely went with the black option. I'll put some links in the video description below so you can check out this product if you're into it. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, that thumbs down works as well. And I would greatly appreciate the subscription. I'm really trying to make it to 1,000 and every single person helps. So for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you very much. And if you haven't, I'd appreciate it. Peace.